or demo of how to use the paragraph tag. So I'm gonna open up the Visual Studio Code here. Sorry, my laptop looks really messy right now. Let's wait until it loads up. Waiting, and I'm gonna enlarge this for you guys. All right, so when we first go into Visual Code, there's Visual Studio Code. There's a lot, but we're gonna do File, New File, and it starts something for us. I'm gonna select a language, HTML. Okay, so that makes it an HTML. So before we type anything, let's save this. Oh, yeah, let's save this as I'm gonna put HTML paragraph, and I'm gonna save it on my desktop. Oh, and then make sure to do .html. So make sure you have this so that this file becomes an HTML file. Okay, sounds good. Let's just check that it's in there. Yep, it's right here. All right, going back to our VS Code, we're gonna start our document by doc type HTML. And then now that we've declared that this is gonna be HTML, we need to declare where it starts. So we start here and then end here. All right, next we're going to do body, head first. And I'm just gonna type a title saying that this is a paragraph demo. So this is more going over what we just did last lecture. And if you remember, next is body. And this is where we're gonna put our paragraph. So our paragraph tag is bracket P bracket, and it already generates our end tag for us. And so I'm gonna type, hi, my name is David. Nice to meet you. And I make sure I save it. All right, so this should appear on my text now. So we're gonna close this for a second, and then we're gonna double click this, or we can right click and open, or double click in order to see our website. And there it is.